Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So we are in Colorado. We have been dispatched. We got dispatched this past Friday. Just stayed here over the weekend. Hung out at the truck stop. Didn't really do a whole lot, but we are dispatched. We are leaving out this morning and getting ready to go make our pickup. Let me give you the details on this run. This is going to be going from Colorado over to Illinois. This was a 9-mile deadhead for a 920-mile run. This is going to be 2 pieces at 2,400 pounds. And this is just regular surface. It's not white glove temperature or anything like that. Not the best paying run, but Colorado is one of those areas that is hit and miss, and there was nothing else in the area. So we jumped on this one and got it just to get out of here. It's better than deadheading. Something's better than nothing, right? So yeah, we went ahead and jumped on that and getting ready to go make the pickup this morning, and then we will deliver tomorrow in Illinois. I've been looking at the load board. Haven't seen anything yet. There was a couple loads, but just not paying good. So I don't know. Usually March starts picking up for us, but so far I haven't seen it. It did got really cold last night. It snowed on us last night. We had no clue they were calling for snow. They actually called for 3 to 5 inches. Luckily, we woke up this morning and we don't have near that. It's mainly just on the grassy areas and stuff, but I haven't seen the roads yet. Hopefully they're clear and we don't run any issues there. But yeah, so anyway, let's go ahead and get on the road, get on over to Illinois, and let's have a good day. Hope y'all have a great day as well. Talk to you later.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Everybody, hope you all are having another wonderful day. We are on our next run, and I just remembered that I did not tell you guys what we were doing. We delivered our last run, and then we had another pickup right away, picking up there in Illinois. So let me give you the details on this run. This was picking up in Illinois and going to Tennessee, and also had an additional stop in Kentucky. So this was going to be an 89-mile deadhead for a 589-mile run. And this was going to be 2 pieces at 100 pounds. This is going to be temperature validated with a temperature range of 59 to 77 Fahrenheit with a set point of 68 Fahrenheit. So yeah, we made our pickup yesterday. I'm sure you've seen that in the previous clip. And, excuse me. And we've been on the road. We drove down. We got here last night. We're at our first stop in Kentucky. We got here, it was snowing when we got here, and woke up this morning and everything is white and it's still snowing. So yeah, guys, we're going to get our stuff together here. We're going to run inside and make this delivery and then get on down to Tennessee. Like I said, it is pouring snow. Everything is white this morning. Glare, see how much you can see there, but it is coming down. There's a good couple inches, and I do believe they were calling for 3 to 5 inches today. I think there's a winter storm warning until 2 p.m. So yeah, we'll be going down to Tennessee, but then we have to come back here to make our next pickup. So it's going to be a fun day of driving. Alright guys, let's go make this pickup, or excuse me, let's go make this delivery and then get on down to Tennessee. We'll catch up with you a little bit later.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday morning. I am just getting up, getting everything together, getting ready to head out here and go to our next pickup. Let me give you the details on this run. This is picking up in North Carolina, and this is going down to Texas. We're actually going to Laredo, Texas. Don't go down there very often. There's just not a lot of freight for FedEx. So I only go down there whenever I definitely got a way out, because I don't like sitting down there. So we are going down to Texas. This run is actually going to be a 101-mile deadhead for a 1,390-mile run. And this is going to be 2 pieces at 6,400 pounds. And this is a regular surface run, no temperature, white glove, anything like that, but it is hazmat. So, like I said, we are pre-dispatched. So we deliver this tomorrow on Saturday, and then we pick up our next run Monday morning, which I'll tell you about on the next vlog. So currently it is about 5 a.m. local time here in North Carolina. I'm just getting my coffee, finished my pre-trip, and get ready to head out here. We've got a 100-mile deadhead to do, so I got to be there by 8:30, and we're going to go make this pickup and then get on the road. So I will check in with everyone in a little bit. We're still on our trip. I just finished driving. Yay, I'm so happy. I started super early this morning, so I got to quit super early today. Happy, happy, happy. Are you happy? Never happy. Anyway, we stopped off. We done a driver swap. Don has taken over. It is currently 6:38 Eastern Time. We are in Mississippi, and we are still on our way over to Laredo. We are confirmed to deliver this tomorrow at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But yeah, just, it's been nothing but an uneventful day. It's just been driving and some traffic, some construction starting up. You can tell summer's almost here. Construction's getting more heavy. But, oh, I'm loving being down south. We're not up north. We're not in the winter. We're not in the snow. It's so nice. We are in northern part of Mississippi, and I got out at a rest area to go to the restroom whenever we done the driver swap, and it is just so nice. It's like 75 degrees outside, a light breeze. Don stopped to get fuel, and he said the same thing. He was like, it's just so nice. It's nice to not have to put on a jacket and a scarf and all that. So I'm actually in shorts. I'm loving it. And it's supposed to be super hot in Laredo. I think I looked at the weather, and it's supposed to be like 98 when we get down there. So, yeah. I like the warm weather, but I don't like it when it gets that hot. When it gets that hot, hot weather don't play too well with big boys. I got enough insulation of my own. But yeah, we deliver this tomorrow, and Don should be able to get the majority of it done. I'll still probably have a couple 100 miles to go tomorrow. But as for right now, I'm going to hop back there and get a little bit of sleep, if I can go to sleep with the sun shining, and get rested up so that way I can finish up this trip tomorrow. So we'll check in with everyone a little bit later. Bye.
Bye.